Hi, Ms. Sulajja. Welcome to the event.
Hi.
Ms. Sulajja is the founder and CEO of Kinetic Green, and we would love to hear from you, ma'am. We do hear a lot of buzz in the EV space and how startups are coming up in this. Where do you see this going? What do you think might be the role of startups, or is your company already or planning to work with any of them to move forward?
Okay, so it's a great question. Happy to be chatting with you. Kinetic Green, first of all, is one of the leading electric three-wheeler and two-wheeler companies in India, and very excited about the prospects of this sector. I think that startups have a great role to play in the EV ecosystem. I'll tell you why I feel so, because Kinetic Group has been in automobile for the last 50-60 years, right? And one can say that the automobile industry in India and globally had become quite consolidated. Every company had their products, their suppliers, everything was set. And it had become pretty much a scale game. Unless you had billions of dollars and huge factories, there's no way you could compete with the large players. But EV is changing this game completely. It's a disruption that's coming. And with this disruption comes the opportunity for new innovations. And I think that's where the startups can play a great role. They can look at the whole EV and EV ecosystem from a new angle and bring in the innovation required to deliver this new technology to the customers in a way that it is more convenient, it's most cost effective to them. It's not just about EV manufacturing, it's also about the batteries, it's about the ecosystem. The way the vehicles are deployed. It could be, for example, battery swapping is a new idea. And also innovation in the battery space, which actually will be game changing as the EV sector grows. So I think because EV is a disruption, and I think that's why there are many opportunities for new companies, including startups. It's no longer just a scale game. You don't need to have billions of dollars to become a player in this space.
Right.
You could be a micro entrepreneur doing something very interesting. You could even become a social micro entrepreneur using EVs, deploy them in a certain let's say geography to bring transportation solutions to that geography. I'm just giving an example to you.
Sure.
Now there is a government of Uttar Pradesh is running a scheme called Pink E-Rickshaw scheme. Pink Rickshaw, and we are giving some 5,000 vehicles to women who will become rickshaw drivers.
Wow, that's
because
amazing.
Electric is very easy to use. They are going to become micro entrepreneurs. Recently, we were approached by Amul, and we have given a few hundred vehicles to micro entrepreneurs